Hey, what is up guys? This is FNH here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can basically assemble any type of drone. Alright, so one thing you guys need to notice is that most drones that you get are relatively the same. They're built, pretty much in the same style, right? So assembling them is pretty much the same across the board. There are some variants on specialized drones, but these are typically the ones you get from Amazon or some Chinese website. Relatively cheaper drones. This is basically the setup you come with, and if it's not this, it will vary slightly, but nothing too major. Alright, so yeah, let's just get straight into the build, and let's go. This is the main piece. That's where the actual drone is. This is the whole actual drone. So what we want to do is first we will see over here at the holes, right, it says A. Okay, and since that says A, we want to get a propeller that says A. This one says B, so it's not this one. This one also says B, it's not that one. And this one says A. Okay, so we want to take this and basically just put it in here. Oops, that's not, it was this one. So we want to just basically just push it in. Okay, and it should easily go in. If you do feel some resistance, then that's most likely not the one. This is the other A with the other A, so you can see it's a cross, so just push that in. Let me just zoom out a bit. So that's that, and now let's get to the B. The B goes there, and this is the other B, and it's there. And next what you want to do is you want to make sure they are all locked. Okay, because the last thing you want is while it's flying it to hit something and then you just see the whole wing fall off. Okay, so that's that. So the next thing we want to do is put the actual propeller on, right? So the way that works is you can see there's like you can see this thing over here, and you can push it down, right? So I'll just show you while it's on. It's much easier. So you want to find the right fit, and it does say whether the wing is for wing A or B. Okay, so that one was B. So now you want to check the wing. So this one's A. All right, so we want to put it there, and now once it's there, we want to push the wing in and basically turn the top part. Okay, you can either turn it left or right, doesn't matter, but now it's locked in place and you can't take it off. And if you do want to take it off, you have to push down, right, and then twist the top again. Okay, so yeah, you want to do this with just all four sides, right? Just make sure that you have the proper wing for the proper size. So if it says A, make sure to put the A wing there, and if it says B, make sure to put the B wing there. Okay, because it does matter which side it's on. Okay, so it's just one more wing left. Alright, now I got all the wings there, so that's basically how it is. Okay, so next thing what we want to do is put the wing guards, which are these. I'm not really sure if that's what you call it, but there could be propeller guards, or I don't know, a different name. But basically over here you can see that there are three holes, one up here, one on the left, one on the right, similar to what match over here. Okay, and you just want to fit that into the three holes. It might be difficult, right? Like it might be a tight fit, but it should properly go in. Okay, so that is in, and I'll do that for this one as well. So you can see that it's over here. It fits pretty well, and this one does not matter whether it's on wing A or B. right? So you can just pretty much do it on either wing, right? So whichever one you see, you can just grab and push it in. Okay. All right, the last one left, and the thing is, these are really important. You know, you might think that, oh, I don't need these, but trust me, they are really important. And the last thing you want to do is just, you know, maybe slightly bump into a wall or something and have the propeller broken because of that. Okay, and you know, it really does help, because you know, I've used this drone a little while. You know, I had to disassemble it for the video and the unboxing, but you know, I used it for a little while and I did kind of crash it a little, but luckily those propellers saved me. So that is the actual drone almost assembled fully. Okay, so the last thing we have are the landing gears and the camera. Okay, so the camera does come with screws, right? And the camera might differ depending on the drone you have. I noticed this part usually does differ from drones to drones. So you can see two holes here, they go here, and you want to check the bottom of your drone and they will screw into here. Okay, so this is probably the most difficult part, right? Just mainly because there's not enough space, right, to put it on, but you know, it's not too difficult where it's undoable. But before we get to that, let's plug in the battery. Most of the drones that come, they usually come with the battery unplugged, right? So this comes with one battery, and the red wire is for the power, the white wire is for the charging. So when I want to charge it, I am going to have to use this, plug it into the white, and then plug in this to the USB. Okay, so that's for when I want to charge it. But let's plug that in, right? Make sure it's nice and tight over there. And this is the top part where I will put in the camera. One thing you want to make sure is that this red light is the front of the drone, so you want to make sure the camera is pointing to the front. Okay, so the front, it will screw in over here like that. Okay, so, and once it's screwed in, this connector will go into right here or somewhere on the drone. Okay, so you'll be able to see it easily. So yeah, you know, this part might take a little while since it is a tight fit. I might have to get really close and off the camera. But yeah, I'll just pause that for now and I will show you the end results. Alright guys, I have attached the camera right here, you can see, and I have plugged in the wire. Right, let me just take off the small cap that's on the camera, as well as this film. Okay, so we got that. Everything is pretty much set up. The power is right there, so let's turn it on. We can see that it's lighting up. And yeah, that's basically how you assemble it, right? And another thing is, just before I forget, we have the controller, right? And we have this. Basically what we can do is the controller has like a small compartment on top, right? Let me just zoom in a little bit. So the controller has this small compartment on top, and what you want to do with that is just basically stick this piece inside. Right, now it's inside, we have this is where our phone goes. Okay, while we're flying it, we want to basically see the camera and the view of it, and that's where our phone will be sitting, and we will be looking at the camera over there. Alright, so yeah, that's basically it. Really easy and simple to assemble it. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the description below. Yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to know where I got this drone from, you can check out the link in the description below. And also, I do have a video test driving this drone, so make sure to check that out as well. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.